This is going to be a quick video on the Sears Kenmore Ultra Stitch 6 convertible sewing machine. This is the 1581340. It's one of the 4 sewing machines I picked up in my Kenmore package I bought. And let's just go over quickly what the machine can do, or the control dials first. I think it's just got one big, got to switch glasses here. It's got one big control dial right here that you will just turn around and around in a circle, and then it's got your reverse, your on-off switch. This is the stitch length. They have it color coded here for different settings for the stitches, color coded here also. This is your hand wheel with your locking nut on this side, and this is a free arm machine, so this little leg you can move out of the way, pull this off, your bobbin goes right here. It's a class 15, and this has a very high lifting foot. Not intended to put that much fabric underneath, but it is good for getting your project in and out from under the presser foot. So I'm going to change the camera angle. Let me just bear with me a minute. I'm going to just crank the brightness up and give everybody a second here just to see a little bit easier for you to see the different stitches and the control dial. And then we'll dial it back down, and I'll reposition the machine and the camera and show you the machine at work. I've got my class 15 bobbin wound here. You can see how the thread's coming off the top. We'll take that. You can see the bobbin case, the angle here. Put it in like this. Just like that, so when you pull, it's coming this way. I went ahead and did a little stitching around the perimeter. This is 2 pieces of marine vinyl with a red Tex 40 thread and a size 16 needle. I just did this quickly to see what I should set my upper tension at. Turned out I need to be at about a 6 in order to pull these, on the zigzag, to pull these stitches tight. So let's just quickly do a straight stitch. That's the longest stitch setting there. And then I'm going to go ahead, and this machine just has where you can move to different widths of zigzag. I'm just going to move it over to the widest stitch and shorten my stitches a little bit. And this machine will go through 2 layers of marine vinyl, no problem. There's the back of the stitch. I've opened the aperture on the camera a little bit. It might be a little bright, but I'm trying to overpower the light in the machine here. And the next one I will do, we'll try this one. Okay, I will do I know what this one's called. It's a 3-point zigzag. This machine runs on a cam. Okay, this machine runs on a cam, not on a computer, so it might have to make a few revolutions before you start making the stitch that you just selected, which is normal because it has to, the little following lever has to move into the right position. So now we will go to a zigzag. Let me bury the needle here. This is a zigzag that goes back and forth. So it gives you the multiple layers of thread for strength. And then you get the same thing in a straight stitch. This machine also has a built-in buttonhole feature. I'm just going to try to do it with this foot and see what happens. Now, this is marine vinyl, so bear with me here. Let's see what I can do here. I'm not an expert at buttonholes, but we'll see what we can do. It looks like it's turning out pretty good. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, not too bad. I kind of overshot my right side here, but you get the idea of how easy that was. Then you just take your seam ripper or razor knife and cut that open, and there's your buttonhole. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.